Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to open WordPad using run command. So guys, if you want to open WordPad using run command, so very easy. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type, Windows key plus R key type, and type here WordPad. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open WordPad using run command. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type and type here WordPad, W-O-R-D pad. After click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open WordPad using run command. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update, and please comment this video useful or not.